Back out for Gostisbehere, who has a point in each of the last 2 games. Maintains control along the line. Gostisbehere now shoots. Score! Puck taken away from McMichael. And now it's Jarvis. Hurricanes enter the Capital Zone. Off the pipe, and they score! Jarvis! Now shooting Washington, 29-15. Roy keeps it alive for the Caps. Here's Roy with Mangiapane. Back out, score! Walker back to play it. Sandwiched by a couple of Caps. Now the lead pass for Hall. Moving in on Thompson. He scores! Two-man advantage for Washington. Chychrun down low, Strome pulls it back out. Now to Ovechkin with a shot. Score! Hurricanes nearly had a 2-on-1. Now they have numbers. Here's Carrier with a shot. He scores! The net is empty. There comes Svechnikov. He scores!